Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to make apps auto-arrange on home screen on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. If you see your home screen look like this, and then you want to remove the application, and then it will look like this. How do you make the apps on the home screen automatically organized? Here is the tutorial. First of all, please long press any screen on your device. After that, here you click on Settings and then select the other option. After that, here you can activate the app auto arrangement by pressing this button. And then your applications on the home screen will be arranged automatically. Well, that's the tutorial on how to have apps auto arrange on home screen on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method you can also apply it on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press subscribe button for more information. Thank you.